How to send photos as snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. If you want to send any photo from your gallery to the Snapchat as a snap, you are in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, you'll need to download this app, OVF Editor. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Click on the option Photo or Video. While using this app, you might get some ads, but the ads are really short. Once your gallery open up, now select the picture that you want to send as a snap. Now at the bottom you will find different option. Set it to this one option, Snapchat. Then click on this icon. Then you can click on the Snapchat icon after you make necessary editing. Now the picture will appear in your snap. From here as well you can make your necessary editing, then click on Send To. Now check in for the users to whom you want to send this snap. Then you can click on this send icon. With that, the picture will be sent as a snap. You can see that. So this is how you can easily send photos as snaps on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.